guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to the channel for a very quick room tour. I have no idea if you can even hear me because there is some yard work going on, but for this vacation we stayed in 0433 in building 10 in the 70s area. So it was actually very convenient. We really enjoyed this location. We were in the 60s building last time, but this location was really super close, right to the bus transportation, and it was probably like a 3 to 4 minute walk to the Skyliner. So let's take a look. Just so you know, this room has been lived in. It is a little messy, but hey, that's what we're gonna get today. So let's get started. Alrighty, so here is a room. Oh, hold on, let me close that. So as you can see, all of our luggage is over there ready to go. Right when you walk in, there is this little kitchenette area. You have your coffee maker, which they give you little Joffrey's coffees. It's super easy. Just pop one in there and then your water goes there. This is nice for if you have vitamins or anything you need to take for the day, just to put right there. And then there is a little mini fridge. It is very small. As you can see, it just has those two areas right there. And they give you a luggage rack. When you turn, my little helper here is gonna pull down the Murphy bed. Super cute. So it does have 2 queen size beds, and the light turns on, and there's little Pluto. It is adorable. We obviously just kept this up the whole time because we didn't need the 2 extra spaces, but each area has their own nightstand with 2 plugs and 2 USBs. And then as you walk around, and like, it is pretty tight right here. That's where you can tell like that it's a value resort. Over here you have your safe and an extra pillow. And then there are 3 drawers for your clothes for your vacation. And then on both sides of this table, you have 2 plugs and 2 USBs, which is very convenient. So you have to play our favorite music. Since COVID, they are showing the enhanced cleaning. And when you come into your room, all of like the main touch points, so your remote and the shampoo and conditioner are like marked clean. Then you have a couple of hooks over here that you can use for your hats or your towels or your masks, whatever you wish. And then there is a sliding door to close off the restroom. And then you have your closet with 2 things underneath. And then you have your ironing board, and your iron and hair dryer are in here. And then your sink. Okay. And then there is like a very focused mirror right there. And then your shower with the sliding glass door. And then since it is a value, you have your shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. And then your rain, there's 2 shower heads. Then underneath the main bed, are you comfortable? Underneath the main bed, it is completely open for your suitcases. That's super nice. It gets your suitcases out of the way. Very convenient. Smile. So that was our room at Pop Century. This is the second time we've stayed in a room at Pop Century. I feel like this stay was a little better just because we had our bearings more. In April when we stayed, it was the first time we were at this resort. so we just weren't used to it. But yeah, I am starting to enjoy this size of room. It's hard to get used to at first when you're used to the moderate / deluxe resort rooms, because they're just way bigger. But for just the two of us, it is cheap and it is worth it, because you don't spend a ton of time in your room just to sleep and relax. So it is nice to be able to just come back. What did you think?
Ditto. The same.
The same?
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, I like Little Mickey's. It's a good time. We haven't ever used the pool yet. It looks fun. It's a very family-friendly resort, and so there are like a ton of people in both of the pools. There is a pool that's closer to, what is it? Like the 40s maybe?
There is no 40s.
There's no 40s. What is it? Just
50s, 60s,
50s.
70s.
Maybe it's the 50s then. I know there's two pools, and the main pool always looks super packed. So the other pool might not be as packed. Maybe next time
Maybe, yeah.
we'll go to the pool. But we just like going to the parks and then coming back and taking naps and then going back to the park. So we don't really get a ton of time at the pool. He's watching golf while I'm trying to do that.
This will be very dated, but Colin Morikawa just made a big putt on hole number 4 to save par.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Do you need to watch this guy putt?
No, this is for bogey, so who cares? They're tied.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. But anyways, that was our quick room tour of our, what is this technically? It's not a studio. A standard.
Just a standard.
Yeah,
room.
this is our quick room tour of our standard room at Pop Century. So thanks so much for watching, and we will see you real soon. Bye.
Bye. Go Colin.